Hey guys, it's Neil and here is our first look at the new OPPO Reno10 Pro 5G. When compared to other OPPO Reno phones, this seems to add to what came before with its key features including the Snapdragon 778G, 120Hz 3D AMOLED screen, 80W SUPERVOOC charging, LPDDR4X RAM, UFS 2.2 storage, a 50MP main camera, a 32MP rear telephoto camera, an 8MP ultra-wide, and a 32MP selfie camera. There's also quite a bit more, so let's check it out. Let's take a look at the box first. It comes in a new gray box with a holographic patch, which is a massive departure from the previous cyan or teal colored box. Inside is a smaller box that holds a silicone case and the documents. Moving forward is the phone itself, and underneath that is the 80W SUPERVOOC adapter, the USB-A to USB-C cable, and the SIM ejector tool. At first glance, the Reno 10 Pro's design is a step above the previous generation. It features a curved glass front and a back panel. In between the two glass panels is a polycarbonate frame with a reflective finish. This colorway is called Glossy Purple. At the bottom corner is the OPPO logo, while at the upper corner is a large camera module. It has a volume rocker and power key on the right side. At the bottom are the single speaker, USB-C port, and the SIM tray. When popped out, the SIM tray's rubber gasket for water and dust resistance shows itself. There is no official IP rating, but because of the rubber gasket, it may have some form of it. In front is a large 6.7-inch 3D AMOLED screen with 2412 by 1080 resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, a 240Hz touch sampling rate, and a 950 nits peak brightness. Around the panel are super slim bezels. Upon setup and first use, we can tell the display is smooth, responsive, vibrant, and bright. At the back are the 50MP f1.8 main camera, 32MP f2.0 telephoto camera, and an 8MP f2.2 ultra-wide camera with an LED flash. While in front, where the punch hole is the 32MP f2.4 selfie camera. When it comes to the internals, this phone is equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G with the Adreno 642L GPU. This is one of the most common chips found in its expected price range. Powering the device is the 4600 mAh battery with 80W SUPERVOOC charger. OPPO says that 10 minutes of charging will yield 48% of battery charge, or 5 minutes of charge will yield 2 hours of gaming. Running the show is ColorOS 13.1 that is based on Android 13. As of the moment, the phone is a stunner, a total eye candy. It has a lot of features found in higher priced phones like 120Hz curved AMOLED screen, 80W wired charging, and a glass front and back panels. Our concern is the aging Snapdragon 778G and the single bottom firing speakers. We will be using the phone for a few more weeks. We will be testing benchmarks, playing games, connectivity features, and actual battery usage and charging times. We are excited to see how it performs in benchmarks, actual use, and if the charging speeds are as advertised. Hopefully the telephoto camera performs well too. There is no official Philippine price yet, but we are guessing it could be within the premium mid-range price point. We will have to stay tuned for its launch this August. And that's it for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and features. Again, this is Neil and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.